Hello everyone, this is Hoda Ganji, and in this video I'm going to show you why you may not see your floor drain in floor plan. So I can see this floor drain, but I'm just going to erase it and bring it back. So if I drop this family, which is floor drain somewhere here, you don't see it. Just escape this warning, it's okay. I'm going to go to a different view that I will see it. Let's say maybe in section or elevation. Just I can add a section so I can see that floor drain. You can also see it in your elevation, interior elevation. So I think this is the floor drain. So as you see, if I put it on wireframe, the top of it is exactly aligned with the floor. That's why you don't see it in floor plan. So I'm gonna drop a reference plane, RP, which if you go to architecture or structure or system tab, either of them, go to reference plane, pick line, and I'm gonna offset by, let's say, 5 millimeters. And if I just drop a reference plane at the top of the floor, hit escape, then select the floor drain, and I want to go with edit work plane, pick a plane, select this reference plane which is slightly above the floor plan. So if I go to level 1, now you can see it, now you can move it, and that's why it says 5, right? And by the way, if you change this value, like if I go with 2.5 millimeter or 10 millimeter or anything else, it's gonna move it up or down relative to that. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe for more videos.